Hello, in this video we will learn how we can make Facebook page from mobile or desktop mode. So I will open the Facebook app, or you can also use Chrome browser for that purpose, but I will use Facebook app. Let's open it. Here is my Facebook. You have to click on your profile. Then you have to click on pages. Click on that. Basically these are the already pages I have already made, but I will try to teach you how you can create new page from scratch. So you have to click on this plus icon to create page. So this is the first page open while we're creating a new Facebook page. We have to click on get started. Here you can type your page name. It could be any name. For example, for testing purpose I say it banter bash, banter bash 2.0. Then I have to click on next. So here we have to select the category. For example, if your page belongs to camera, photo, restaurant, beauty, cosmetic and personal care, personal blogs, or it could be any. For example, if you're gaming video creator, you can type here gaming video creator, video games. So I will check this one. Then I have to click on next. If you have any website, you can enter here, otherwise skip. I don't have website, or you can press skip. Then I will click next. Then comes to this part. Here we can add cover photo or profile picture. Let me add. Here my gallery is opened and I will use for example this one. Here I can crop it. Here I can use stickers. For example, here profile picture is ready. Please note that this is the rough profile picture. You can use any according to your business page. So then we have to click on next. Here if you want to add cover photo, click on that. For example, I will use this one with stickers as well. Basically on cover we can't use stickers. So then we have to click on done part and our page is created now. If you are comfortable to add your phone number here, you can add, but I will swipe it down. So here is our page ready. As you can see, this is profile picture uploaded and cover page updated. Now in the next video we will discuss about its later settings, how we can invite friends, how we can create reel, etc. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.